I let a filter pick my clown makeup and this is the look it chose. So let's do it. First, I'm going to tackle the eyeshadow. I'm just putting a yellow base all over my eyelid. And it does come along the lower lash line as well. Blending out the edges of that yellow. I'm adding a bit of a darker yellow on my lid and lower lash line. And a pastel yellow to blend that out. Let's do the clown lines. I'm going to do the bottom line first. Why is my hand shaking so much? To make it easier, I'm going to do a straight line going down here. And then flare it out. I'm going to fill in the shape with some orange face paint. And I don't know if you can see it, but I added a little circle right on top as well. Now I'm filling in the gaps with my black eyeliner. I'm outlining the bottom one. Draw out that little pumpkin at the bottom. While I let that dry, I'm going to do the winged eyeliner. I'm just going to go, bring it quite high up and in. And just fill it in. Just adding the little black details on the pumpkin face. Lining my lips. Join it up. Let's bring it out a bit more. There we go. So I filled in all the edges. Now I'm going in the middle with red. Adding some grey on the nose. Add some white freckles. I need to finish the other side, so who's ready for the end result? Okay, here's the end result. Is this a cute or a fail? The orange paint that I used actually glows in the dark. Check this out. Ooh. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.